I never thought that I would make a wheatgrass smoothie and actually like it, and there is no juicing involved, so win-win. So the secret ingredient behind the no juicing of this smoothie is Dr. Berg's Wheatgrass Superfood Concentrate. Now, you guys know that I absolutely love Dr. Berg's products, and I am an ambassador of their products, but I'm actually really surprised at how much I loved this Wheatgrass Superfood. I have tried it just as a juice, and I've also tried it in this smoothie, and it is absolutely phenomenal. I have never been interested in juicing at all because it just looks messy and very, very time consuming, and wheatgrass has a lot of wonderful benefits for you, and I will post a few videos in the cards above so that you guys can go check those out. But without further ado, let's get making the smoothie. So I am making mine in a single serve Bella blender, but you can do yours however you want to. So this whole smoothie will be one serving. I start off with my unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I'm gonna fill it about half-ish way. And then I'm gonna do a splash of heavy cream. This is when I will add in my wheatgrass powder. Oh no, I gotta go dig for it. There it goes. Now we need to add in the other fruits, so let me get my cutting board. I'm just gonna squeeze a half a lemon juice in there. And then about a quarter cup of come back. About a quarter cup of blueberries. And then 1 strawberry. I know that 1 strawberry sounds absolutely ridiculous, but I hate in smoothies when you use too many strawberries and fruits with seeds, and that's all you're drinking is the seeds. So I really only prefer to have like 1 strawberry in there so there's not as many seeds. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm gonna add about maybe a quarter of an avocado. I know I've said this before, I don't like avocados, I hate how they taste, but they make your smoothies super, super creamy, and they are a good addition of healthy fats, but you can't taste it in this smoothie, and that's the only reason that it is allowed in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other half and quarter of this avocado. Maybe just make a crap ton of smoothies. Get that beautiful slow-mo pour. All right, here is the true test, is if it tastes good, because if it's convenient and doesn't taste good, then what's the point, right? Cheers. Oh, that's good. I never thought that I would make a wheatgrass smoothie and actually like it, and there is no juicing involved, so win-win. So I really like smoothies because you can add whatever you want to, take out whatever you want to, you know, really make it to your taste. I always taste it after I blend it the first time just to see if there's anything else I needed to add. This time I hit it pretty spot on. I didn't feel like I needed to add anything, and it is super delicious and packed full of good nutrients, and you know that you're using the absolute best product when you're using this one. I'm sure there's other wheatgrass concentrates out there. That is just one that I am partial to, just because you know you're getting the absolute best ingredients. So I hope you guys give this a try. Even if you've never had wheatgrass before, like I really hadn't before this, give it a shot because it's really, really good and really good for you. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.